Okay, guys, we got a big announcement. You wanna tell him, baby?
Oh, no, baby, you tell him.
No, you tell him.
No, baby, you tell him.
No, you tell him. You tell him.
Come on, tell us, man.
Okay, we're having a baby. He's ready to hatch like any day now. What do you guys think?
That's awesome, dude! Hey, who's the dad? Who's the dad?
Chance the dad, you silly goose.
Yeah, baby, who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
You are. Oh, I'm so glad you're not mad, Toad. I thought you'd be like the other birds and just leave, just for no reason.
No, I wouldn't be mad. I just want to babysit. Hey, can I babysit? Can I babysit? Please, 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 please.
No, Toad, I'm sorry, but he's too fragile right now. I can't have you babysitting. You could like crack him or something and he could die. Oh, Chad, he could die.
It's okay, baby, it's okay. I know. He's not gonna touch.
Don't touch it! Don't touch it! Get back!
Okay, I won't. Jeez.
Good. Chad, let's go and watch a movie.
Okay, baby.
I'm not gonna touch it. I can just look at it, right? Yeah. Whoa, this is a beauty right here. Ooh, don't get too close. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, so beautiful. Oh, I just wanna feel the case, and I know it feels good. It's a box. I like boxes. I know one smell wouldn't hurt. I like the smell of eggs. I never babysat an egg before. I just wanna smell it. Just a little, just a little bit. It smells like dandelions. It rolls. Oh my God! No! That's all I have to do is lay an egg. How do I lay an egg? How do I lay an egg? How do I lay an egg? What am I going to do? How do I lay an egg? Maybe I'll just sit down and strain hard, really, really hard, and I'll lay an egg. It can't be that hard. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it has to work. It has to work.
So how did you like the movie, baby?
Of course, you know I loved it. It's my favorite movie whatsoever.
My baby! My baby! He's hatched.
No. No. Tony, I can't believe you cheated on me. He's black. He's black.